Hello, Chris here from Cato Networks. Today I'd like to introduce to you an exciting feature for the Cato SASE Cloud platform. The state of ZTNA is all about secure user access anywhere to applications that are everywhere. This means that we have to ensure consistent policy enforcement whether the user is in the office or working remotely using the corporate ZTNA solution. However, the primary scope is centered around corporate users who use corporate devices in the office, at home, or anywhere really. But what about the users who are working remotely or in the office with a BYOD device? Or contractors who need temporary access to applications? Or even those vendors who need occasional access to applications so they can update or upgrade them? And these non-corporate users are accessing corporate applications that require the same level of security and compliance as the corporate users. With all of these BYOD devices, there are hidden risks that need to be identified. Gartner has identified 3 key facts here. First, by 2028, almost a quarter of organizations in the world will augment their existing ZTNA solution by incorporating at least one secure enterprise browser technology. Gartner has also found that roughly 70% of organizations now allow employees to use those personal devices they have at work. And because they do that, unmanaged devices now account for over 30% of all devices connected in an enterprise network. These are staggering statistics. The traditional method of addressing BYOD or non-corporate devices is to use a VPN, and we all know the burden that VPNs bring to today's enterprises. It brings inconsistent security, operational challenges, user experience issues, and even compliance risks. With all of the challenges with unmanaged devices and the risks that are associated with them, I would like to introduce a solution, the Cato Browser Extension. It is a lightweight Chrome browser extension. It provides secure browser access to SaaS and public web applications, and WAN or private applications. It also has security features like browser isolation and some device posture capabilities. With this comes some very helpful areas of impact, including consistent security across the board, operational efficiency, improved user experience, and enhanced compliance. All of this leads to the department having faster onboarding, increased control, and less complexity. Be sure to check out our website for more information. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.